Hi, I'm Apurvi and today we are baking applesauce oats bar without refined flour, maida, hair and spoiled by cocoa. Let's begin. First, in a bowl, add whole wheat flour. Then add some rolled oats, brown sugar or jaggery powder, cinnamon powder, and I'll grate some nutmeg also. You can use powder as well. This will give nice flavor. Mix everything and keep it aside. Now in another bowl, add applesauce. I have already shared this recipe on my channel. Link is in the description box. Add Dulce de Leche. You can use caramel or Jaggery caramel as well. Link to both the recipes is in the description box below. Mix them together. Now in a dry ingredients bowl, add melted butter and mix to a crumb sand-like texture. Transfer 3/4 of this to a 5-inch lined square tin and reserve about 1/4 of it to use later. Press the mixture firmly to form a base. Give my video a like, subscribe to my channel, also turn on the bell icon to get notified of amazing new recipes. Pour Dulce de Leche applesauce filling over it and spread it all around. Now cover the filling with reserved oats crumble from earlier. You can do so with a spoon for even layer. Now bake these bars in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 21 to 25 minutes or until you see a nice golden color on top. Take it out of the oven and let it cool completely. Let us slice these bars. They are healthy and are equally delicious. Do try them out. For serving, I'll place some applesauce, completely optional. Pipe some whipped cream. Add Dulce de Leche or caramel on top. You can simply have these bars on the go. It is a must-try recipe. You can use jaggery powder and jaggery caramel as well, and they would taste equally amazing. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Cocoa.